Looking for a smart and affordable way to keep your home clean in 2025? Today, we're counting down the 5 best budget robot vacuum cleaners of 2025, packed with powerful suction, smart navigation, and all at a price that won't break the bank. Stay tuned till the end to find the perfect robot helper for your home. Number 1.
Xiaomi.
Number 2. Number 3. Number 4.
At the height of comfort, life can truly be a spectacle. Introducing D-Bot N10 Plus with a precise navigation system. The standard for delivering an uncompromising clean. Crafted with an eye for detail. With comprehensive antibacterial care. Seize the moment and leave the rest to the very best. With just one touch, its cleaning is made easy. Powered for long-lasting performance. Engineered with auto-empty technology to ensure maximum freshness. All day, every day. Celebrate the uncompromising clean with D-Bot N10 Plus.
Number 5.
Hi, I'm Floorbot X1, a robot, a mopping robot. Most of the time, I'm on standby. Once I get the order, my patrol begins. I know exactly where to go and where to avoid. Because I have the lighter map in my mind already. Actually, I can remember more. Yes, 5 floors. Cleaning, mopping, so easy for me. Because I have a strong beating heart and a vibrating high-frequency mopping system. Oh, here comes the tricky part. A narrow area. Look at me, I have a slim figure. Oh, carpet. Never mind, I won't get you wet. Now the house is clean and my job is done. I'm gonna go home and clean myself.
Thank you for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech.